this is the era of real music that wasn't assisted by any computer. I might be critical because Ozzy was pretty much legendary. I think, honest to God, I feel that this is one of his better covers. I think Tommy did an amazing, outstanding job on this one. Skål everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today, another Swede. So I think it's only fitting that with the amazing concert that was given a few weeks ago and the passing of Ozzy Osbourne, that people are releasing their covers. I think that's an amazing tribute. And Tommy Johansson has done one of those covers called Crazy Train, one of the Ozzy Osbourne songs, if you will. I think, at least, that's one of the better songs this guy has ever released. But I think it's only right that we cover the covers, right? So that we react to those tribute songs as our own personal tribute towards Ozzy. And to be fair, Ozzy was freaking amazing. I have seen this man perform live about 20 years ago, and I had a blast. So, shall we just check out Tommy Johansson's version of Ozzy Osbourne, Crazy Train? We shall. So, and just so you know, this is the proper era of music. This is the era of real music that wasn't assisted by any computer. I might be critical because Ozzy was pretty much legendary when it comes to this music. But off we go. Good. Good start. It's psychedelic, I love it. Oh, that's cool. Yes!
Crazy, but that's how it goes.
It's good, it's good, it's good.
It's not too late to love and forget all you hate.
If you're new on this channel, I stop a lot. I'm sorry. I'm called Sir Goes Back a lot. I tend to go back a lot. But I was really afraid that he has a very distinct sound, and so does Ozzy. And they're not necessarily the same, right? They have both have a very distinct, very different sound. And I was really afraid that the classic Tommy J sound wouldn't fit well in this song. But so far, of course, there's a lot of a lot of editing to this, like layering the vocals to get to a certain sound, which I think he did really well in this one. So I'm really enjoying this, and I'm not bothered by any off sound, if you will. Not that I usually am with Tommy, because I really like Tommy, but it fits well, and I like it. I think this is a very respectful cover, and I love the energy. So, you know what? We're going back quite a bit. And I love that art guitar.
Crazy, but that's how it goes.
That one.
Millions of people living as foes.
Good. It's really good.
Maybe it's not too late to love and forget all you hate. Metal wounds not healed. Lies are
Nice squeal.
being shame. I'm going off the rails.
I love it.
Let's go! I listen to preachers, I listen to fools. I watch all the dropouts who make their own rules. One person condition to rule and control. The media sells it, and you live the role. Metal wounds, they're screaming, driving me insane. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train.
I love the drums. I fucking love the drums. Listen to that. Just try. It's, I know it's hard if you're not used to trying to sort out specific sounds, but try and listen for the drums.
Sells it, and you live the role. Metal wounds, they're screaming, driving me insane.
And the bass guitar. Damn.
Rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train.
That's that dark, rich sound to it. That's underlying everything when we're talking bass and bass guitar and drum. There's a very dark, rich sound. It makes this, I was gonna say majestic, but it's more bombastic, if you will. It just gives it a rumble, and I like that.
Rails on a crazy train.
There.
I know that things are going wrong for me.
The harmonies are so clever. Yeah. Is that the Majestica logo in a guitar? In the fretboard? Listen to that bass, the drum.
It's a cold war, that's what we become. Inheriting troubles, I'm mentally numb. Crazy, I just can't bear. I'm living with something that just isn't fair. Mental wounds not healing. Who wants to blame? I'm going off the rails on a crazy train.
Wow.
We're going off rail just like a crazy train.
I love the video. Awesome. The drums, listen. It's like a runaway train. Dude. I just got the goosebumps. Now that's a musical legend that will be missed, right? Oh my god. I think, honestly, honest to God, I feel that this is one of his better covers. I think Tommy did an amazing, outstanding job on this one. There's, as I said, and I have said this before, Tommy has a very distinct sound. And it's very obvious, and I don't mind it at all that he's not American, just like me. I'm not either. It's very obvious too. right? I guess. I don't know. Yeah, when I listen to myself, it's quite obvious. But anyways, Tommy has a very distinct sound. And I wasn't sure that was going to work with this song. Even though Ozzy Osbourne obviously wasn't American either, but, right? Maybe that's why, I don't know. Anyways, this worked really well. I feel this was very respectful. This was an honest-to-God tribute. A little touch and flair of himself. I really liked that. He did reimagine it a little bit, which is completely fine with me because it worked. I love this song. I love the cover. And, dude, I just enjoyed myself. And I think that's the one thing that you can ask for music, right? You just enjoy yourself. And this couldn't have come, I'd say, at a better time. I think this was recorded and released before he passed. I think this video is 3 weeks old. So that was probably in thanks of the concert that he did. But wow, what a tribute, right? I loved it, and I hope you did too. I don't know why you wouldn't, but this was good. Even if you're not necessarily a Tommy fan, if you're not here for Tommy but for the reaction by me, because I know there's certain people that don't necessarily care for Tommy, but they watch me, for me. If you didn't enjoy this, then you really don't like Tommy. Because this was good. This was just good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then by all means, please like, subscribe, and get notified if you haven't done so yet. And I shall see you in the next one. As always, only one more thing to say. Viking out. Peace.